My name's Richard Selby, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the output from TBC to CAD, where point symbols come through as a symbol font into blocks. So to illustrate that, here I've got Trimble Business Centre open, and for this line string that's been drafted, I've used a line style, and to label it along with the level of the surveyed points, there's also a plus marker. And in TBC, that's set up using the label style manager, which I'll just open here, using the point styles. So for this bottom bank string, here we have the simple labeling, the elevation and a point symbol. So that point symbol is being pulled actually from a font called symbol.shx. And it's a font that TBC uses and CAD programs can use as well. The problem may arise where that font file isn't present with AutoCAD. Of course, one solution is to transfer the symbol.shx font and place it in the AutoCAD fonts directory. But if it isn't there, when you export a drawing like this to, for example, DWG format, and you open it in AutoCAD, because the font isn't there, the plus symbol is substituted for another one, which in this case looks a bit like an upside down A. So in Trimble Business Centre, I only ever use the symbol marker method for placing these markers on a string. There's no need to use them anywhere else in TBC. There are other block related methods for putting markers on point or multi-point features, but for a longer string that is the current method. So in AutoCAD, without that symbol font file there or other CAD systems, we'd need a way of replacing that, and one way is to change it into a block. Now in order to do that, there's a few things required. First of all, I'm going to create a new layer. And to make that the current layer, it's called new layer string markers. I'll close up those properties. Now I want to select all of these markers. So you can use quick select or select similar to select all of those interesting symbols on the string. And having done that, if I open the properties again, there's a couple of changes I need to make. I need to change the speech marks here to another piece of text that a Lisp script can pick up. Speech marks aren't the best for that, so I'm just going to change it to an exclamation mark in this case, but it could be anything. And I need to change the height to something very small so that the symbol goes into the right place for the text insertion point, and that will effectively change it to 0. Now here is the Lisp script that needs to be run. You need to create a block and save it into a DWG or DXF file. The block that's going to replace the bit of text, you can insert it into the drawing, or if you don't insert it into the drawing, you can put the path to where it's stored within the script here. And then within the speech marks here, this is the character that's going to be found and replaced by the block in the drawing. So again, you can make this anything you like. Of course, you can make your block name anything you like, but that's the basics of it. And the command itself in AutoCAD, once this script is loaded, will be text to block. So let's pop that out of the way for the moment. Everything should be pretty much ready to go. I just need to insert the block into the drawing. Okay, it's stored in my DWG file. I'm just going to place it here. Of course I can delete it in a moment when I'm no longer done with it. So to load the Lisp script that's going to search for and replace those symbols with that block, the function is upload. And there's the script. I'm going to load that up, close the dialog, and then to run that script, the command is text to block. Okay, so the script has run and it's replaced the symbol that was there previously, the kind of upside down A looking symbol, with a block in the right place. So look at the properties of this now. We can see that it's a block and the name of the block is here. So to circulate your drawing to other parties who may not have that symbol font, then this is a way of changing that font marker to a block so that they can open it and see it as a marker rather than a kind of a weird upside down A symbol. I hope that's of some interest. The script and some example files will post on the Correct Knowledge Base. If you have any questions or comments about it or any suggested improvements, then please get in touch with us using the contact details shown. Thanks for watching.